Hello! So last time we took a look at a couple of things. We learned how to make things spin, we learned how to put a damage grip, and we also learned a speed boost. Today we're going to step back from scripting and take a look at other elements of a parkour game or an obstacle game that you might want to have. Today we're looking at properties. So in the properties window, so let's click on this cube, you can see a property window and we have a lot of different things we can change. In this example, we have anchor. So what does anchor do? If I turn it on, this item will be anchored. Basically, anchoring means it's going to be stuck in place. So when I play the game, the item or this part will be stuck in place. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, this red block is anchored, so it doesn't fall. But the blue block is unanchored, so it's going to fall. So just a reminder, anchor is over here. You can see it over here. This is on, which is anchored, and this is off, which is unanchored. You can also change anchoring settings over here in this window by clicking on and off. Next, let's take a look at something called collision. So we'll show it to you with these two. One is collide and one is collide off. As you can see over here, this is off, so can collide is off, means I can go through it. And for this one, can collide is on, means I cannot go through it. Let's run the game to see how it works. Okay, so let's take a look at this door. Let's see if I can go through it. And you can see, you can go through the door. However, this one is can collide on, so that means I can't go through it. As you can see, I cannot go through this wall. Last, another setting that you might want to play around with is transparency. Over here we have a window of sorts and we want to change its transparency from fully transparent or not transparent. So 0 is not transparent and fully transparent is 1. Let's make it a little bit transparent, so that's about 0.7. So you can see it's quite transparent, but you can definitely still see like a little shadow over here. So that's it. Today we covered what transparency is, collision, and anchoring.